Do you have an error preventing the Cryptext.dll from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before diving into the Crypt extension technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This DLL file is the Windows Cryptographic Shell Extension library. It provides context menu options and property pages that allow users to view certificate details directly within the Windows Explorer interface. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The Cryptext.dll is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan, now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Crypt extension file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone the Crypt extension DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes the Crypt extension documentation. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped you with the Crypt extension workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.